Irashaimase. Welcome back to my kitchen. Today I'm gonna teach you guys make the chicken mushroom. Chicken mushroom but with the shimeji mushroom. Okay? So with this shimeji mushroom, so many things with the chicken. Chicken I already slice it. So chicken make it like that, slice. Okay? This is 150 gram chicken, slice it. Okay? Let we start now. So first of all, I prepare to make the dressing first. Okay, I show you guys make this dressing for this chicken shimeji mushroom. So the water around 40 cc. All right, and then add the Hondashi. Hondashi around, yeah, like that. Okay. So mix it. And then oyster sauce. This oyster sauce around 1 spoon. Alright, like that. Oyster sauce. And this kimchi sauce. Just a little bit like that. Alright. And then this is tenmenjan. Tenmenjan in Japan, if you don't have, you can change this one with the hoisin sauce. If don't have this tenmenjan, just change with the hoisin sauce. This also 1 spoon. Alright. And then add little bit soy sauce, but this is like soy sauce. Alright, around like that. Alright, that's it. We prepare the dressing done for cooking. So let me start. So I have a onion and 2 cloves the garlic. And this nagai negi, half. And this is spring onion or scallion and shimeji. Oke. Jadi guys, tadi dressingnya udah saya jelaskan di sini. Dia ada air 40 cc dengan Hondashi, ya udah saya tunjukkan, ya oyster sauce. Terus kalau di Indo nggak ada itu tenmen sauce, itu kalian ganti pakai hoisin sauce ya. Terus ada kimchi sauce. Nah ini dressingnya yang saya standby, prepare nanti untuk ini. Jadi kita ada bawang bombay, dua siung ini bawang putih. Ini bawang prei kalau di Indo, setengah batang bawang prei ya. Nah ini daun bawang. Nah terus ini dia bilang mushroom shimeji, jamur shimeji ya. Kita masak ayam. Ya, ayamnya udah saya iris-iris setebal begini. Oke, ayo kita mulai. Oke, let's start for the cooking. Oke, now first of all in here we put oil for fry. So turn on the fire and then put the oil around like that. See that? Okay. So first of all, I explain why I cooking always use this. I don't use the wok or pan because the good efficient for me and clean my kitchen, hygienic, and I have technique to use this thing. So I don't want my kitchen dirty. If I use the wok or pan, when I stir fry, this is spoil a lot food, make dirty my kitchen. So the best way I use this thing, okay? Jadi saya nggak pakai kuali atau pan untuk masak. Kenapa? Alasannya karena saya memang kebersihan kitchen saya, dapur saya sangat utama. Jadi saya ini lebih gampang. Nah kalau dulu kerja di restoran kotor, ada anak buah bersin. Ini kalau kotor harus saya bersin sendiri, dan saya jaga betul saya punya dapur kitchen. You guys can see my kitchen is very clean. Alright, see that my kitchen. Everyone can I can show my kitchen. Yeah, this thing, everything my kitchen is very clean. It's very clean. And this kitchen already 17 years. Okay? And see, every part is very clean. That's why I cooking use this thing, because I don't wanna use wok or pan, spoil the food anywhere, and it's hard to clean. So the best way I use this. Doesn't spoil. Mostly fried or something, I always use this to keep clean my kitchen. Okay, let we start. So after I heat up the oil, now we cut onion. Onion is half, we use is half. And then very thin slice the clove. Jadi bawang bombay setengah, terus bawang putihnya kita tipis, iris tipis. 2 siung bawang putih kita iris tipis ya. Okay, that's it. Then let's start. Okay. Sorry, the cameraman get a little bit scared when I put inside. It's very hot. Okay. And then we put the chicken. After that, little bit squeeze the black pepper. Dimasukkan sedikit lada hitam. Diaduk rata, ya. Alright, when you see the chicken already sauteed like that, so then we put the dressing. Okay, add the dressing inside. And then mix it. Alright, after properly mix like that, then leave, we wait. Jadi setelah kita aduk sausnya ke dalam, kita tuangkan, biarkan sejenak, dan kita prepare yang lain. Then after that, we prepare cut another thing. First of all, so this nagai nagi cut long like that, okay? Ini bawang prainya motong panjang. Okay, put in this side, and then the mushroom, shimeji mushroom. Alright, and shimeji mushroom, take this part out. Ya, nah, cara motong shimeji mushroomnya juga begini, ya. Masukkan pisau, potong ke arah ininya. Take out this, alright. Okay, leave in here. One more, ya. See, so enter your knife in here and make round. All right. So after prepare this like that, just leave, okay? And then let me check this one. Okay, great. After see like that, and then we put the nagai nagi. Setelah lihat udah sekitar gini, masukkan ini bawang prainya. So this not long time cook, ya. Mix it all, diaduk rata. Setelah masukkan bawang prainya, diaduk rata. Then after that, so add the shimeji. Alright, shimeji. Just like that. Use your hand to peel one per one. And this shimeji is the last enter, okay? And not cook long time. When almost finished, this we put. Jadi mushroom shimeji ini pakai tangan kupas saja. Setelah di ini lebih bagus. Dan masukkan ini saat terakhir. Ini terakhir dimasukkan shimeji-nya. Dan tidak boleh dimasak lama. Ini udah hampir selesai, baru saya masukin. Karena shimeji kalau dimasak lama rusak dia punya mushroom. Oke, nah after all, oke, nah mix it. Add a little bit more water. Alright. Okay, almost finished this. Alright, when almost finished, then the last is a little bit sesame oil. Okay, this sesame oil, just little bit. See, I put alright, just like that, little bit, and mix all. Terakhir setelah hampir udah mau matang ini, mau finishing, kasih sesame oil sedikit biar wangi. Ya. Okay, it's done. It's done. So take this. Oh, smell good. Very nice. So this very nice, very healthy, and for all people, even Muslim, halal food this is. Okay, you guys see the process, and this the last finishing. Okay, just cut the spring onion. Nah, terakhir finishingnya potong halus ini daun bawang. Alright, just like that, little bit. So put on top, finishing. This put on top. And sesame. Spray the sesame. Alright, this food is done. See? Okay guys, so like that the last finishing. Okay, this chicken mushrooms. So many kind mushroom, but I use this mushroom because I like this mushroom the way sauteed. Mostly I don't like Japanese way they use this mushroom for the nabe. When the nabe they cook long time, is broke the taste of this mushroom. But if you cook like this way and then the last, so you can feel delicious of this mushroom. Okay, jadi guys begini resultnya. Saya ajarkan cara masaknya pakai shimeji mushroom ini dan rasanya. Saya kurang suka orang Jepang masak pakai nabe buat rusak mushroomnya kelamaan ke. Shimeji ini nggak boleh dimasak lama, bakal kamu temukan cita rasa enaknya, wanginya, ya. Jadi shimeji ini kalau kita masaknya pas, ini seperti jamur di Indo ada kayak jamur sagu atau jamur padi, lebih kurang sama wanginya, enaknya, rasanya itu kalau dimasak begini. Tapi kalau dimasak lama itu jadi rusak dia punya rasa dari shimeji ini. Jadi dia, maka tadi saya ajarkan terakhir kita masukin, disotetnya cepat, yang penting dia udah ini. Nah, ini bakal keluar enak wangi dari shimeji ini. Oke? Dan ini yang saya ajarkan selalu, yang saya ajarkan, remember, I'm chef, I really doesn't like use MSG. Okay? My career, I never use MSG. It's not good. Okay? Jadi karir saya sebagai chef, saya anti MSG atau micin. Ya, jadi yang saya ajarkan semua makanan sehat tanpa micin. Anda bisa buat makanan sehat, gurih, enak. Hanya Anda tahu cara masak, ya, pakai cara-cara, teknik, dan saus, racikan saus. Nggak perlu micin, oke? Jangan buat generasi micin, oke? Kanker. MSG, monosodium glutamate. Itu kalau kalian overcook pakainya masak, kalian harus tahu, bukan nggak boleh pakai MSG itu, tapi kalian nggak tahu MSG itu tidak boleh dimasak melebihi 70 derajat. Kalau 70 derajat itu kimia MSG-nya, monosodium glutamate itu berubah kimianya jadi biang kanker. Saya lupa namanya. Makanya saya paling nggak suka pakai micin MSG. All is healthy. Dan yang saya ajarkan ini food untuk orang Indo banyak. Jadi orang-orang, karena mayoritas Muslim, saya ajarkan cara masak gitu yang halal. Ya, ini sebenarnya resepinya udah saya robah sedikit. Saya buat yang halal. Sausnya di resep saya ini ada pakai mirin. Nah, mirin itu ada kandungan alkohol. Nah, saya robah racikannya biar bisa diterima. masyarakat Indo dengan makanan yang sehat halal. Okay, let's try this one. Let's see. It's delicious. I love this mushroom when cooked like that. When you chew this mushroom, really the taste of mushroom, really you can feel it. Ini kalau kalian masak gini, ini rasa mushroomnya enak bener. Terus licin di mulut. Nah, pas kalian gigit, kalau kalian pernah makan jamur sagu di Indo, lebih kurang sama. Apalagi kalau ini dimasak udang, persis. Cuma ada lain lagi resepnya masak udang, sausnya. Ini saya ajarkan yang pakai ayam. Atau mau masak pakai beef, sama. Cuma sedikit teknik sauteed beefnya aja beda cara ininya, tapi resep sausnya sama. Okay, I'm Chef Rio, try to share my content, try to teaching to you guys. I hope you guys like it. Saya harap kalian semua suka kontennya saya berusaha untuk berbagi ilmu. Kalau suka, share ke teman-teman kalian, ya kan, berbagi ilmu. Oke, salam saya Chef dari Tokyo. Oke, my regard from Tokyo to everyone. Chef Rio say ciao ciao.